Hi, this is Muhammad Anas Khan and welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to start a simple project in Ni Multisim 30. Okay, so I opened my Ni Multisim 13 dashboard and now I will place components for a simple circuit, and just I have to right click on my mouse and on and select the place component tab or button, and here is a list of components. This is all group. I will take the simple AC power source, a ground, and an indicator to show that AC power is going to bulb. AC power, I will place a ground, and now I will select a bulb from an indicator, I select a 100-volt and 100-watt bulb, and I place it in on the sheet. And here is a list of tabs, and file may consist to save a project or rename a project or open a project. Edit may be used to edit something. View may be used to zoom in, zoom out, grid lines. From here we can switch on or switch off grid lines, and place components, junctions, wires, bus, connectors, hierarchical blocks, and comments, text, etc. And here is a simulate tab is used for simulations and transfer. With the passage of time I will explain all these tabs, and now I will connect. You have to just click on this corner, and a wire will appear, and you have to place it on by clicking. Just it will be connected to the other end. Okay, and now I will connect the other end of the bulb of the indicator to the ground, and one end of to the bulb. It will glow. It is a simple easiest circuit. Okay, and this from this green button you can start your simulation. Okay, and from this button you can stop your simulation by just clicking it. Thanks for watching my video. For more videos on Ni Multisim, subscribe my channel and keep visiting my channel. Thanks a lot.